Welcome back, guys, to a new makeup transformation video, part 2 of this series of the alien from Toy Story. If you haven't seen the first part of this alien Toy Story video, please click the first link down in the description box below. I decided to do a very creepy twist because they worship the claw in the movie. So in my head I thought while the claw was trying to grab one of them and actually accidentally punctured their face with some green goo as their blood. So if little kids get squeamish about like impaling objects that's just painted on silver on top of bodies, warning now. I know this is really creepy and weird, but I hope you guys enjoy in a short but sweet tutorial. First of all, I'm gonna get this silver paint from Graftobian. This is a metallic powder, and use a magic set liquid to mix in with it to get this beautiful sheen that literally looks like if the Tin Man from the Wizard of Oz had skin. It's one of my all-time favorite products in the makeup effects world. They have it in gold, in bronze, it's gorgeous. There's other companies that make similar products such as this, but I'm just painting and recreating what if those the ends of it, went through the eyeball and parts of his body, trying to make this like a triangle but weird claw-like finger, like in the machine from Toy Story, if it went through certain parts. And as you can see, I'm just grabbing my NYX Matte liquid liner to outline the claws to make them look a little bit more defined. Or you can use some gel liner or aqua paint with a very thin brush to do this outline as well. Now it's time for that green goo blood. I got some bright green aqua paint to do drip marks around those claw pieces that we did and on top of it, and some dark green aqua paint on top of that to make it a little bit more darker and defined. I'm having it ooze on certain parts from his eyes, from his mouth, and dripping in dots around his body and face. I know this is kind of a little gory, but it's green goo of blood, not really real blood. It reminds me of the R.L. Stine book covers. That's the aesthetic we're going for today. And after that, we are completely done with this creepy transformation of the alien from Toy Story. What if the claw, while it was trying to grab the alien, it went through his body instead? I know, a little freaky of an accident, but it's fake, just makeup, not a real situation. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. All the products I use on this video will be listed down below in the description box as always. Thank you guys so much for watching. Now it is time for me to turn back into myself. Again, if you guys haven't seen the first part of this Toy Story video, click the first link down in the description box below. This is the very last Toy Story makeup transformation I'm going to do for this series. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I love pushing my imagination. I hope it makes you guys think and challenges your mind as well to get creative. If you guys do any makeups from my YouTube videos, please post on Instagram and tag me, #katsketch. I would love to see it and like it. Subscribe for more makeup transformations. We're gonna move on to brand new creepy weird things this summer, so I'm really excited for that. Planning out videos. Leave a comment down below on what you would like to see this summer on my YouTube channel. I really love to hear your suggestions. And thank you guys. I will see you in the next video. Love you all. Bye.